I had to visit my Indian friend to learn her secret for making the best chicken curry, and it turned out to be absolutely amazing. Even my husband, who never liked chicken curry before, is now a total fan. Let's start by frying the garlic. I used a whole bulb because it's one of the key secrets to this dish. Then, add 1 cup of chopped onion. Fry these 2 ingredients together until the garlic turns golden brown and the onion becomes soft and translucent. Now, add the chicken thighs. I used 2 pounds of chicken thighs, but feel free to use any part of the chicken you prefer. Let them fry for a few minutes, turning each piece occasionally to make sure they are evenly heated. This step helps to seal in the chicken fat, creating a nice, juicy texture. It also locks in all the flavor, ensuring the meat stays tender and absorbs the rich spices that will be added later. Next, I added 2 tablespoons of fish sauce along with 3 ripe tomatoes. The fish sauce enhances the umami flavor, while the tomatoes add freshness and acidity to the dish. After adding these 2 ingredients, I mixed everything together, making sure that the tomatoes were well covered. We want all the tomatoes to be nestled among the chicken thighs, allowing them to soften and release their juices for a richer flavor. Now, cover the pot and let it boil for about 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a rich and aromatic base for the curry. The steam will help cook the chicken through, ensuring it becomes tender and juicy. During this time, the tomatoes will break down and release their natural sweetness, enriching the dish with a lovely depth of flavor. The fragrant aroma that fills your kitchen will be a sign that something delicious is coming together. Now, once the tomatoes have fully cooked down and released their juices, creating a deliciously thick base, and the chicken is no longer pink and has taken on a beautiful golden color, you can proceed to the next step. This is an important moment in the cooking process, as it ensures that the base of the curry is rich and flavorful. The tomatoes should have softened completely, melding with the chicken and creating a harmonious blend of flavors that sets the stage for the spices we'll add next. Next, we'll add 4 tablespoons of curry powder, along with the freshly sliced ginger. The ginger will provide a warm, zesty flavor that complements the spices beautifully. Don't forget to include a little bit of chili powder for that touch of heat. If you enjoy a spicier curry, feel free to add more chili powder to suit your taste. These ingredients will not only infuse the dish with vibrant flavors, but also create an aromatic spice blend that will tantalize your senses and enhance the overall richness of the curry. When all 3 ingredients are added, mix them thoroughly with the chicken. Ensure that the chicken is well coated with the spices, allowing each piece to absorb the rich flavors. Add 400 milliliters of coconut milk and 400 milliliters of evaporated milk to the pot. The coconut milk will lend a rich, creamy texture and a delightful sweetness that balances the spices, while the evaporated milk adds an extra layer of creaminess to the curry. Mix everything together thoroughly until well combined, ensuring that the chicken and spices are fully incorporated into the luscious sauce. Once everything is mixed, cover the pot and let it simmer gently for 15 minutes. This simmering time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a harmonious blend of tastes, and ensures the chicken becomes tender and juicy in the creamy, aromatic sauce. Now add 1 cup of sliced potatoes and 2 medium-sized carrots. Once added, give everything a good mix to ensure the potatoes and carrots are fully submerged in the sauce. This is important to allow them to absorb the flavors of the curry and to ensure they cook through evenly, becoming tender and flavorful as they simmer in the rich sauce. Let the mixture simmer for 10 minutes, allowing the potatoes and carrots to cook through until they are tender. Once the potatoes are cooked to your liking, add the sliced bell pepper. I used a large piece of bell pepper for a burst of color and flavor. The bell pepper will add a slight crunch and a hint of sweetness to the dish, complementing the other vegetables beautifully. Gently mix everything together, allowing the bell pepper to soften slightly as it absorbs the rich flavors of the curry. After simmering for 5 minutes, our chicken curry is done. This recipe is truly out of this world, bursting with rich flavors and vibrant colors. It's best served with a steaming bowl of rice, which perfectly complements the creamy curry. This is a must-try chicken curry that will impress your family and friends, making it a delightful addition to any meal.